Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover advanced array. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover array copy. I have created source array, called sData, and assigned values. Created destination array, called tData. Copying the data from sData to tData, using array copy function. We need to pass first parameter as source array, second parameter as source start position, third parameter as destination array, fourth parameter as destination start position, and fifth parameter as length. And I am displaying destination array, tData, using for loop. In the next program, I am going to cover array clone. I have created source array, called sData, and assigned values. Created destination array, called tData. Cloning the data from sData into tData, using clone function. And I am displaying destination array, tData, using for loop. In the next program, I am going to cover array class type. I have declared array of type byte, short, int, long, char, float, double, and boolean. And displaying array class using getClass function. And array class name using getClass.getName function. Byte class is bracket b. Short class is bracket s. Int class is bracket I. Long class is bracket j. Char class is bracket c. Float class is bracket f. Double class is bracket d. And boolean class is bracket z. In the next program, I am going to cover ArrayList. ArrayList is available under Java.util package. I have created ArrayList, called ARR, of type string. We can add elements to ArrayList using add function. Change element of ArrayList using set function, with first parameter as index of ArrayList, and second parameter as new value. Remove element from ArrayList using remove function. We can sort ArrayList using collections.sort function. Collections is available under Java.util package. We can display ArrayList elements using size function and get function. Size function is used to get size of ArrayList, and get function to access element of ArrayList. Also, we can display ArrayList elements using for each loop. We can clear elements of ArrayList using clear function. In the next program, I am going to cover array command line arguments. We can display number of arguments using args.length. And access elements of command line arguments, like array elements. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Java Program Interview Questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.